In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in Teachable Machine. If you're building an image, audio, or pose model, saving properly ensures your work is backed up, easy to return to, and available across devices. The process is quick, and once you know where to click, you'll never worry about losing progress again. First, make sure you're looking at your project inside Teachable Machine. At the very top left of the screen, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button, often called the hamburger menu. It can be easy to overlook, especially if your browser window is narrow or you're on a smaller laptop screen, so take a moment to find it in that top left corner. Clicking this opens the main app menu, which holds the options related to your overall project, not just the current training settings. With the menu open, look for the option labeled Save Project to Drive and select it. That's the key action that tells Teachable Machine to store your project in your Google Drive, linked to the account you're currently using in your browser. When you choose this option, the app packages your project files, labels, and settings so you can pick up exactly where you left off later. If this is your first time saving, you may briefly see a prompt asking for permission to connect to your drive. That's normal. Granting access allows the app to create and update the project file on your behalf. After you click Save Project to Drive, give it a moment to complete. A short confirmation inside Teachable Machine typically appears, indicating that your project is now saved. From this point forward, your project will be preserved in your drive, and Teachable Machine can keep it up to date as you continue working. If your internet connection is unstable, saving might take a bit longer, so it's a good idea to wait for that confirmation before closing your browser tab. A quick note on organization. The name you see for your project in Teachable Machine is what you'll recognize in Drive. Keeping names clear helps you find the right file later, especially if you maintain multiple experiments. Also, if you switch to a different browser profile or Google account in the future, remember that your saved project lives in the drive of the account you used when you clicked Save Project to Drive. And that's all there is to it. Open the menu in the top left, then choose Save Project to Drive. With those two actions, your work is safely stored and ready whenever you are.